I'm Darren Campbell, an Intermountain orthopedics and sports medicine provider here in Utah Valley and the BYU head team physician. I had the opportunity to serve our country for 24 years, and during that time I deployed to Afghanistan on a couple of occasions, had another deployment where we traveled throughout the world, as well as spent a year in Korea. It really brought home the importance of what we have here as a country. It brought home the importance of what is home for me, what was worth sacrificing for, and it's been incredible to be back home in Utah and recognize my part in what our country represents, what our church and our faith represent, and what it means to have a home here in Utah and live here and be part of our community. I grew up snow skiing, I grew up being outdoors, loved to snow ski, ride mountain bikes, water skiing, that's a big part of what my family's done since I've been small. We love going down to Lake Powell. So it's been great to be back in Utah and being able to participate in all the things that Utah has to offer. I joke about the reason I went into medicine was because my second grade teacher used to make me practice handwriting. And she said, you know, you write terribly. You write like a doctor. And I said, that's it. I am going to be a doctor. And so then her response quickly was, well, when you're a doctor, you can do that, but for now, you still have to practice. Being here and working with athletes has been special. As we work with this program, the university, what it represents really in the world, what it represents from a church standpoint, it's been incredible to be part of that and work with the BYU administration, BYU faculty, and the BYU athletes. Technology has really helped sports medicine, and I think it's an area that will continue to grow as we get better at tracking and following all of the metrics that make up performance for sports medicine. When we look at some of our diagnostic tests and we look at MRIs and MRI findings or ultrasound, really we always have to keep in mind who we're treating as the patient, and if we keep that in focus, all of those tests and things we do to help us in the process really help target and help that patient return to the things they want. So sports medicine for me is fulfilling because we're looking at people that have very distinct and very defined goals. They're very driven towards trying to achieve those, and as we see them have success and really become who they can become in their sports, it's incredible just to be part of that.